day it's turned out to be. The mother of all battleground states, the state of Uttar Pradesh, throwing in results which no exit pollster had predicted. There were murmurs, there were whispers, but one person I must point out, well-known activist, academic, Subhashini Aliji, who had met me a couple of weeks back, and she had told me very, very clearly that this is what was going to happen. So I thought I must get her on the show. Good to have you. Good to have you with us, Subhashini, today.
Thank you.
What happened? Subhashini, tell me, you come from Kanpur, right?
See,
you spent a lot of your time.
Kanpur, which is I would say, one of the safest seats for Bharatiya Janata Party in Uttar Pradesh, which is saying a lot. One was, after a long time, those who have always wanted to defeat BJP, they were much more enthusiastic. They were much more confident. And sections of people who have never voted for Samajwadi Party in the last 10, 15 years, especially among the Dalit community, there was a big shift among them. इनकी तरफ से ये जो संविधान वाली बात थी कि संविधान खतरे में है और ये लोग आएंगे तो संविधान को खत्म कर देंगे. And I want to say कि there were reasons for this. Privatization meant loss of jobs. The closure of government schools, 65,000 government schools closed in BJP-run states, meant that access to education was being reduced. And recently, the central government has also stopped SC/ST scholarships, and so has the government in Uttar Pradesh. So all these things which are not being talked about much in the campaign, they were certainly creating an atmosphere among Dalits, among extremely backward sections, that yes, the constitution was in danger, और उनको जो कुछ मिला था अब तक वो उनसे छीना जाएगा, which is why.
क्या हम ये माने क्या सुभाष जी? क्या हम ये माने कि this election and the reason why this trend is coming in, even in Faizabad, for instance, that's a specific constituency that you've spoken
about. Yes, everywhere. And
really?
This is what has,
is it inflation? Is it joblessness? Are these the fundamental reasons?
These are the fundamental reasons, and I can tell you that many people who are devoted to Behenji, they were literally weeping and voting for the cycle because they felt that Ambedkarji's constitution was in danger. That was one thing. The other thing is, all the adding up of Agniveer, paper leak. Now, when you take 60 lakh people who have appeared for these tests in which the paper has leaked and you multiply it by 5 people in their family, it's a huge number. So all this was adding up. But what also happened was that the long drawn out election campaign, which the BJP probably thought is going to help them, actually helped the India Alliance because they got off the ground late. But the long campaign period gave them time to cement their alliances, to get their workers working together, and to have a very, very impressive campaign in Uttar Pradesh, which was not being expected. Because the last time Sapa and Congress came together, as you know, it was not very successful. So this time, what I saw in Kanpur, what I saw around Kanpur, which are strong seats of BJP, what I was hearing from people, what I was listening to Dalit groups, what I was hearing in the alternative media that has sprouted, especially in Uttar Pradesh, made me very confident that something like 77 was happening here again. I think I mentioned that to you. Yes. Yaad aa raha hai. And I was sure that UP is going to show very incredible results. I think, told you that Faizabad BJP is going to lose. And you couldn't believe it. And I said, we always forget that Faizabad is not only the city of Ayodhya. Faizabad is 5 predominantly rural constituencies. And the choice of candidate by Samajwadi Party was a brilliant move.
Now, in Purvanchal, Subhashini, something seems to have changed dramatically in Purvanchal.
पूर्वांचल में अगर आप पिछले चुनाव को देखें तो सपा बसपा दोनों को अगर देखें तो दे वन लॉट ऑफ सीट्स इन पूर्वांचल. तो उनकी ऑलरेडी पूर्वांचल में पकड़ थी और अगर बसपा के वोटर्स आ रहे थे सपा और गठबंधन की तरफ तो वो रिमेन किया. लेकिन अगेन चॉइस ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स, a very strategic choice of candidates according to different communities and castes has paid huge dividends to the Gathbandhan. And I also think that the decision to fight Rai Bareli made a big difference. So all this put together, you see what happens, जब एक चीज आपके पक्ष में काम करने लगती है तो फिर वो बढ़ता ही जाता है, एक वो उसका अलग ही इफेक्ट होता है. I was in Varanasi on the first Bhupendra. I was there the whole day. I went to at least 10 polling stations in Banaras city. And I saw such lack of enthusiasm in the BJP tables. You know, they put up tables. And among the BJP workers, I didn't see them moving. Even I was there yesterday when the exit polls were predicting all this. I didn't see any celebration. Whereas here, I'm in Kanpur today. Already there's jubilation in the air here.
Okay.
You know, I'm
So
with the,
always a pleasure. Always a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us in Spirits.
thank you very much. Thank you.